The Spirit Train. When the conductor says all aboard, you'd better be ready to ride the Spirit Train.
So everybody get ready. All aboard. Spirit Train. I see your name is here in the Book of Life. Well. The conscience. I guess none of us can leave without you.
Yes, sir. I have a duty to perform, and I'll do my best.
He gave me a brand new walk.
Is this some kind of a church for loose women?
Every woman has had a time in her life where she feels she can't make it through now. When she's giving up, she's got to get famous. Ever with a shadow and memories of the
I am your comforter, and I have been through some of the things that you will be going through.
Steady away,
Spirit Train is a musical play about ordinary people traveling on an invisible train on a journey to heaven.
You know you don't have any business going around the train mentioning Jesus. Why? You're too pretty for that.
Spirit train. Come on. Spirit train. Come on. Spirit train. Give it up. Come on. Now. Spirit train. I was born to praise His holy name. I am a Christian.
Everybody has a conscience. You just gotta make sure you don't defy it.
Lady, this is the Spirit Train. What train you looking for?
All aboard the Spirit Train. When the conductor says all aboard, you better be ready to ride